We just did it. So now. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to be doing a waltz combination with all the beginner patterns that we've already taught. So be sure to check those out if you haven't, and we're going to put them in a combo for you. Let's get into it.
Okay, we're going to combine together a box step, and then our change steps to travel, and then a rotating box to the left in our very small space, and then a walk around turn, this one without the cutoff. You could do it with, doesn't matter. And then right into balance steps. And we could repeat the same thing going the other direction. Box step, change step, rotating box to the left, and then a walk around turn. And then the balance step, which could again be done in any order. This is just one option you can practice. With timing. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you were able to try it out. If you didn't get a chance to learn all these dances or all these patterns step by step, we have a waltz syllabus up, broken each of those steps step by step for you, so check that out. Also, we have some more advanced steps up on our website for you in our Ballroom Pro section. We're going to leave that down below, so be sure to check that out and give this video a like if you did. Comment down below what you liked, what you want to see next. Subscribe for more content, and we'll see you again very, very soon. Bye.